Delight in downtime, embracing leisure. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, delight in downtime. This phrase encapsulates a powerful message about relaxation and enjoyment, crucial for learners and speakers of English at all levels. Let's unpack its meaning together and explore how you can incorporate this concept into your daily life. Delight in downtime combines two key words, delight and downtime. To delight in something means to experience great pleasure or joy in it. Downtime, on the other hand, refers to time when one is not working or engaged in any strenuous activity. It's essentially leisure time. So, when we say, delight in downtime, we're talking about finding joy and pleasure in moments of rest and relaxation. You might wonder why downtime is so important that we should find delight in it. Downtime is crucial for our mental and physical well-being. It helps us recharge, reduces stress, and enhances creativity. By taking time off, we give ourselves the opportunity to reflect, relax, and engage in activities we enjoy outside of our work or study routines. Delighting in downtime is not just about taking a break. It's about valuing and enjoying these breaks to the fullest. Embracing and enjoying your downtime can be done in many ways. Here are a few suggestions. Explore hobbies that bring you joy, whether that's painting, reading, or gardening. Spend time in nature, which can be incredibly refreshing and rejuvenating. Practice mindfulness or meditation to truly relax your mind and body. Connect with loved ones, sharing quality time that strengthens your relationships. The key is to find activities that make you feel happy and relaxed, allowing you to appreciate the beauty of taking it easy. We hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the importance of delighting in downtime. Remember, it's not just about taking breaks. It's about thoroughly enjoying those moments of rest to improve your overall well-being. We encourage you to embrace your downtime, find activities that bring you joy, and allow yourself to recharge. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.